Hey, did you even look at the other stuff? Show everybody every
Let's
time.
see what you got. Don't go for the next one.
What's
Beads
that?
and stickers.
All stickers.
Oh boy.
Whole bunch, about 1,000.
Oh, hey,
Grandma.
hey, you
Coloring
better watch,
books.
You better hide that. It's a
Bob.
bob. It's a bob.
Open that one. I think it goes with it.
Not really.
She's not
Same color
listening.
paper.
That's all that was in the closet.
Is she having another one? Yeah.
Another present? Rip it open, sissy.
Don't peel the tape off. Just pull the paper.
You can come over tomorrow night and actually get pictures taken of it.
It's very dainty, Kyle. It's
Oh, for
okay.
the graduation.
Where are you going?
Yeah, senior
Just rip the
pictures.
paper off.
That's tomorrow night.
Watch, Serenity. Go sit with Kyle.
Come here and sit with me.
Hey, come here a minute.
Everybody else paint
Tell Grandma what the doggy does.
They should. It looked good.
Can you? What's the doggy do?
What does the doggy say? Woof, woof.
Joey's mentioned that
That's what he was doing.
when he saw you guys go by. And they're going,
What is it?
Come by Uncle Rick. Go ahead.
Oh boy.
Whoa, some new clothes for me.
Come by Uncle Rick.
What are they?
Oh, come on. I like the one with the cherries on it.
What are these, three?
Hold them up so we can see.
he goes, that's nice.
Wow.
Oh,
Well,
that's cute.
yeah, it's quite a ways off the road.
BB.
Oh, you're fine. Just go ahead. It's just videotaping.
Here, go. Wow.
That's cute.
What's that?
Oh, it's a
Oh,
skirt.
It's a skirt.
Skirt.
Yay. Purple skirt.
Purple.
Oh, there you go. There you go. That's all you.
That's all you.
What are them? Nightgowns?
Oh,
Skirts.
cherry skirt.
Oh, you want
Good
the
job.
All right, put them back in the box and set it up there for a second so that you can have room to do the rest of them.
Pretty close.
Okay, leave the bags. You can open the rest of them.
Open that one.
Turn around, kiddo. I gotta see what you're doing. Yeah. Except I can't quite get the angle right this way.
Hey, Brad. Go get one.
I know. I see him.
Here, you can reach him. Yeah, here, I'll get him.
Don't get the box wet with your clothes in it.
No, don't put spray.
You're just playing on the paper.
Only for the screen door.
That's pretty good.
Rip it open, kiddo. Come on.
You need some help?
Just pull.
Pull.
Grab a hold and pull.
Grandma used enough tape.
He won't scratch you. Pick him up.
Baby.
What do you got?
7 shot.
What did you get? Hold it up so we can see. You gotta open it up so I can see what's on the front. Oh, it's a skirt. What's on the shirt? A purple skirt.
There you go.
Your new favorite.
It says save our planet.
Wait. You gotta wait. You still got a purple light.
Cool. Yeah.
Here.
Open the cards, honey, that go with that.
Yeah, open the cards.
Hold on a minute. Open these ones first.
No,
Oh.
Brad,
Ugh, Bradley, come get him, please.
come clean up the cat.
Going to the potty.
Well, you're just going to have to wait.
Probably not bad that he's going there. We could just wrap it up.
I wasn't done yet, you know.
All the time. You think God, you did.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Who's it from?
Oh, here comes Brenda. Bradley, no, you're gonna splash it everywhere. Enough!
I'm washing it off.
Damn it, enough.
Who's it from, Pee-wee? You want me to help you? Open it up. Who's it from?
Here.
Is Grandma and Grandpa Diego? I think. I have trouble reading Grandma's handwriting, but I'm pretty sure that's Grandma's
And
handwriting.
Lisa will read it. Grandma,
That's from
Grandma, Grandma
Grace.
Grace.
Yes, honey. That's from Grandma.
Do you want me to read it to you?
Here.
Sorry, I don't like cursive.
Okay, it says, for your great-granddaughter, surprise! The love that's tucked inside this card and all the wishes too are for a very special girl, and that of course means you. Happy birthday. Hi! We're just opening presents, Paula.
Dog.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. For a sweet girl who's 4. Oh, look at the way that opens. This pretty scene is filled with 4s. Think you can find each one? Of course you can. And while you do, hope you have lots of fun. Can you find the number 4s in there? Where? Do you see any? The big one, yeah? Do you see any in this picture?
2, 3, 4.
Yeah, good. All right, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even read who that was from.
Grandma, great.
Okay.
Yeah, open that one.
Yeah, open that card.
That card.
See, that was the one I was gonna
I'm
send.
running out of chairs quick.
See how
Where's
it's got
my
the
new
stamp
folding
on
chairs,
it?
Dwayne?